We're going to do the Three Little Piggies rock out. All right, rock. Way back when, once upon a piggy time, lived three little piggies in a piggy rhyme. Their mother said it's time for you to be on your own. The three of you need to move away from home, but beware of the big bad wolf. They listened to their mother and they were off. One little piggy was very sad, but another little piggy said, let's get us a pie. The first little piggy built his house out of hay. He worked his house the little piggy way. Another piggy built his house out of twigs. They worked very hard like good little pigs. The last little piggy built his house out of bricks. That should be stronger than hay or sticks. The three little piggies were doing real swell, but guess what happened? Well, the big bad wolf saw the house made of hay. What'd he say? Little pigs, better let me in, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin, I'm never gonna let you in. The big bad wolf made a big achoo. The house started creaking the more he blew. It rocked and rolled and tumbled on down. There was hay scattered everywhere all over the ground. The little piggies ran fast and quick to the little piggy's house that was made out of sticks. They talked about the wolf being in town. He's blowing little piggies' houses down. Uh-oh, where's the wolf? There he is. Uh-oh, where's the wolf? Look, he's licking his smacks there. The big bad wolf saw the house made of wood. Little pigs, better let me in, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Not by the hair of our chinny chin chin, we're never gonna let you in. The big bad wolf made a big achoo. The house started creaking the more he blew. It rocked and rolled and tumbled on down. There was wood scattered everywhere all over the ground. The little piggies ran just a lickety-split to the little piggy's house that was made out of brick. They talked about the big bad wolf again, and they sat down to make a plan. Uh-oh, where's the wolf? Uh-oh, where's the wolf? There he is. The big bad wolf saw the house made of brick. Little pigs, better let me in, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Not by the hair of a chinny chin chin, we're never gonna let you in. The big bad wolf made a big achoo. The house stood firm the more he blew. He huffed and puffed the whole night away until the sun came up at the break of day. The big bad wolf was really sore. He climbed the chimney and began to roar. Little pigs, better let me in, or I'll ride down the chimney for my din-din. The wolf came down and landed in the pot that was full of water and piping hot. Right on. Screw the pigs, as they said with laughter. The three little pigs lived happily ever after. Oh boy. What happened to that wolf? Landed in the pot. And then what? I don't know. I guess the piggies might have eaten him for dinner, maybe, that night. Had a little wolf stew. That would have been delicious. Okay. All right. Well, that was your song for today. And why don't we just get on with our counting? Let's start counting by fives today. How about that? We go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And how about by tens? Use all 10 fingers then, okay? You got 10, right? You don't need to count them. They didn't go anywhere. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's really quick, huh? And then how about we start on Monday? How about we start with like 6? And then we'll count till like, let's say, I don't know, 40 or something, 30, 40. Let's start with 6. We got 5. Remember how we count on from 5? 5, 6. That's where we're going to start. And let's go from there. And one more than 6 would be what? Right, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's go up to 40. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. There you go. All right, and I've got the bigger numbers today. Remember these guys. Should I mix them up? Mix them up a little bit. Oops, don't want to mess them up though. All right, here we go. Ready? We got 34, 49, 45, 43, 44, 41, lots of 40s. There's a 5 in the front. What do you say? 50, right? So you say 51, 57, 53, 50, 5 and a 0 is just 50, 58, 54, 52, 56, 59, you're saying them faster than me, huh? 38, 55, 35, 37, 32, 33, 31, 60, 40, 46, 47, 48, 42, 36, and 39. Perfect. You guys are good. Not only are you going to be working with your 3D shapes, but you are going to have a few questions about your 2D shapes or your flat. Remember another word for 2D shapes? These shapes here are flat shapes. And the other word for 3D shapes, okay, are, yes, solid shapes, because they're solid. I can hold them in my hand. You can't really hold a triangle in your hand. I can hold a triangle that's on paper in my hand, but you can't really hold a triangle, okay? So these are solid shapes, and this is called flat shapes. Let's just go through these quick. We got a triangle, a square, a rectangle, circle, heart, diamond, oval, star, pentagon, and hexagon, okay? Now, today, some of those words that we're going to continue working on, we started working on them on Friday? Yes, Friday. Is the words behind and in front of. So if we take a look at our shapes, let's just go ahead and name them first. We've got our cone, and you put a little ice cold sphere on top, and you got yourself an ice cream cone. Yes, you could have a sphere with a cone for dessert tonight. All right, so we have a cone. All right, and we've got I found a new one, Kevin's. He used to have a collection, cube, right? And then we have I found this is Kevin's too. There's a circle on this side, circle, it rolls. It's called a cylinder, right? A cylinder. And then we also have this part up here is called a sphere. Remember? Ear, sphere. That's like the globe or like soccer ball. Okay? So if I put the cylinder here, okay, and the globe there, we say, can you see that okay? I'll put it right here in the middle. Can you see that all right? There you go. So I've got the cylinder, we say, is behind the sphere. And we can also say the sphere is in front of the cylinder. So those words in front of or behind, those are in your homework today, okay? We could do the same thing over here with these two lovely shapes. We've got the cone, and the cone I'm going to put behind the cube. And we say the cube is in front of the cone. Okay, we can switch it around. Now the cube is behind the cone, and the cone is in front of the cube. Okay, same thing over here. We could switch these guys around, right? Now we could say the cylinder is in front of the sphere, and the sphere is back there. The sphere is behind the cylinder. Okay? So this is making me hungry. I might have to go have myself a little snack. And if you haven't, I don't know what time of the day it is you're watching this, but at 10 o'clock there's an assembly today, school-wide assembly. So if it's early, join us on a Zoom school-wide assembly. And I don't know if they're going to be taping it or not, so we could watch it like later in the day. I'm not sure about that. But that's it for today. All right. If you have any questions, I know today is the beginning of a whole new month of May. So if there's any questions on exactly how we're supposed to get in touch with the homework or access that, please have your parents, write me a little email. Okay. and ask a question, or I can call them, whatever. We'll try and get it figured out, okay? All right, so you guys take care. Happy Monday, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.